Here we have Pete on a 1943 era R.A.F. contract Royal Enfield C.O, of which there was only one big contract. This is the very last of the ones that we've got all in together. There won't be any more. And it's actually done for somebody who wanted it to have a Vokes air filter and finished in desert colours. So we thought we'd still do our little play about and a video, and even though it's hard to see because the foliage is so high, you can still hear it. It's taken a lot of effort to get this one completed because we were missing a few of the very hard bits to get, but we managed to sort some more in the end. It will come with a nice set of wartime bags and straps, which are actually in the van and I forgot to fit them. So there you go. It's a nice little bike. Okay, Pete.